Gently put it in. Same reason. The corresponding modulus. This side is still smoother. This side is rougher. Usually it's a little rougher here. If there are words, you must go inside first. The corner hangs on this first. Hang it in here. This one is for formal wear. This hole and character should face out. The knife is actually reversed. Wipe all this noodles clean. Push this position up for it. Here are the screws. Push it up first. Push it up first. You don't need to top it too tightly, just place it in place. Pack it well. Be sure to worry about the knives. Not completely fixed at this time. It may fall off during movement. Put this pressure plate on it first. The back top should be retracted to the back. Pay attention to whether it interferes with the knife. Same top. Give it a push at the base level. Push it a little. It's also a little bit of a push. No need to top too tightly. Now this bulges out. If it protrudes out, it means where the top is tight. Check where it is tightened. One goes in the negative direction. After confirmation. This is also not pressed here. No more than 4 or 5 wires in the middle. The two sides are almost kept at one touch or the other.